Well, hi there, streamers. So today, I'm going to be showing you how to get a very, very cool shoutout command through StreamElements on your stream. It looks a little bit like this. Let's get straight into the video, guys. I'll show you how to put this on your stream. Okay, so sign into StreamElements and head over to your dashboard, and then you want to click on Themes Gallery, Widgets, Awesome Shoutout, created by 𝐁𝐮𝐬𝐬𝐈𝐧𝐪𝐮𝐢𝐫𝐢𝐬. You want to hit create and then copy it to existing. If you've got an overlay already, now I use an all alerts overlay. So I put all my alerts, all my shoutouts, everything on one alert. So I only have to use one URL in OBS. So we're going to go with chatting goals and create my widget. Now it gives you the link, but I want to go over there and customize it. So over here in chatting goals, you want to hit edit. Right, so starting from the top, guys, we have general config. Okay, so this is going to have your notification settings. I'm going to do about 10 seconds. So I believe it's about 10,000 milliseconds. So set it to however long you want. Mode streamer command. You want to have for if the mod or the streamer puts in the command in the text box in your stream. And then you have the shoutout command here. So I actually do use !SO. I think most people use that. And if you've got the old shoutout command, then you can probably just replace that. Now you do have customization in here for your sounds and all that too. So if you want a sound to go with the shoutout, you can do that. It's really, really cool. And then you've got all the volume, size, etc. Now you have top and bottom text. So as I showed you before, it comes up, up the top with text up the top and then text down the bottom as well. So I'll show you what I have for mine. So on the general top text configuration, I have 100% sexy. So there you go, it shows up 100% sexy. Now I've changed the color and then you can change the animation as well. So I just have it set to bounce. It's pretty basic. Go through and you can change your fonts, your sizing, all of that good stuff. And then here you can do the bottom text. So I've got approved in here as well, but you can have whatever you want. It's really easy to chuck it in there. Now we're not going to get into VIP stuff at all. I'm not going to bother talking about that. I just wanted to show you guys the basic setup for having that alert working on your stream, because it is a little bit better and a little bit more effective than the other one. As you guys know, if you have streamers who support you or raid you, you want to be like representing those people. You want to be shouting those people out and giving them some absolute love in your channel. So I hope that helps, guys. Really, really simple, really, really easy, really, really straightforward. I love you and enjoy your streams.